Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. What do you mean by degree of comparison? A degree of comparison is a form of adjective that is used to compare a person or thing possessing the same quality with another. It is related to the adjective or adverb in the sentence. There are three degrees of comparisons. They are positive degree of comparison, comparative degree of comparison, superlative degree of comparison. Positive degree of comparison. The positive degree of comparison is basically the original form of the adjective. This degree does not allow you to make any comparison. It only gives the audience the information about a particular quality possessed by a noun. For example, Lisa is happy. This dress is pretty. He looks handsome. Meena is tired. The sun is bright. Comparative degree of comparison. The comparative degree of comparison is used to compare between two nouns that have the same quality or the particular quality of a noun at two different times. This shows which one of the two has a greater or lesser degree of the particular quality being referred to. It is mostly indicated by the addition of er to the end of the adjective. The comparative degree of comparison is always indicated by the addition of than after the comparative form of the adjective. For example, Tina looks sadder than Kate. This bed is more comfortable than the other bed. The sun is brighter than yesterday. Your hair is longer than hers. My brother is taller than me. Superlative degree of comparison. The superlative degree of comparison is the highest degree of comparison. It is used to compare the similar qualities shared by more than two nouns. It shows which of these nouns being compared has the greatest or the least degree of the mentioned quality or qualities. It is indicated by the use of the article the before the adjective and the addition of est to the end of the adjective. For example, we climbed the highest mountain. The last group was the best of all. The Himalayas are the longest mountain ranges. Sammy is the tallest girl in our gang. Ahmed is the most silent boy in the class. In the following table, you can see the use of adjective in three different forms of degree of comparison. Sana is tall. Sana is taller than Jenny. Sana is the tallest of all the girls. Pam is intelligent. Pam is more intelligent than Tina. Pam is the most intelligent kid in class. This book is interesting. This book is more interesting than the other books I have read. This book is the most interesting book I have read. The weather today is bad. The weather today is worse than yesterday. The weather today is the worst. Rita has a big house. Rita has a bigger house than Sina. Rita has the biggest house. My friend Benny looks happy. My friend Benny looks happier than my other friends. My friend Benny looks the happiest. Let's see some more examples. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate degree of comparison in the following sentence. Number 1. Sania is dash smart than most of her friends. Sania is smarter than most of her friends. Nobody is dash good than you. Nobody is better than you. Priti was the dash elegant of all. Priti was the most elegant of all. Harita is dash tall than her brother. Harita is taller than her brother. Dash recent movie was excellent. The most recent movie was excellent. Mount Everest is a dash high peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Friends is a dash watched series. Friends is the most watched series. Sam is happy than Tina. Sam is happier than Tina. Aarti is a dash patient kid. Aarti is a patient kid. These math problems are easy. These math problems are easy. I hope you all have understood this lesson. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel to get the update of my coming videos. Thank you.